how to fix this Google account has not been associated with a device. So if you're going ahead and downloading an app from your Windows or pretty much laptop or computer, it pretty much depends if the app is available at that device. So if you're going ahead to your laptop over here, we have some options we can do that can download apps for this specific device. But if we choose on phone apps, like Blockblast over here, there's a chance that it's not available on this device. If you just go on other options that isn't pretty much available here. Here we have an option, snake.io. You can go ahead and install it, but it says over here you don't have any devices. So if you go ahead and install, it's gonna say the error because it's only pretty much available on a mobile device. So if you press and install, it's gonna automatically install it into the device or the mobile device that you have. So to pretty much stop this from happening, if you do want to connect, you can go back to your mobile device. So over here we have an example on our mobile phone. Let's just go ahead to the top right corner, press the drop down button over here. It should allow us to see the add another account option. So once we press on that, you can go ahead and add the account that was on our other device. So the account in our other device is this one specifically. With this name, you can go ahead and put it here on our mobile device. And just like that, we can go ahead and automatically have it linked once we sign in or log in that account to the other device. So once it's pretty much done loading, refreshing, we can go back over here to our main device where we wanted to download and first refresh.